Hey, let's go. Where is the key, Siri? On the door. Okay. Alis na kami, guys. Tingnan nyo naman ang aking flowers. Oh, hindi. Ang ganda ng flowers ng lola nyo, oh. I am the one to open the door. Go inside. Oh my God. Ayan ang flower ng lola. Purple. Edge. Yung manugang ko, gusto niya yan, oh. Purple. Dami namang purple ng lola. Meron pa dito. Siri, dake. Okay guys, alis na kami. Thanks for watching. Ayan, Edso. Gusto mo yung purple na flower ng nanay mo. Hello guys. Thank you so much for watching. Buksan ko na ang aking gate. So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.